now, because to each and every student I have to admit once I share the screen, once I put the PPT in the slideshow mode, then again I have to come back and I have to allow them to attend the class. So you please tell them to join quickly. I have already sent a message in the group. I think you can see I have already shared the screen. To each and every student I have to admit for the class. Only 35 are there. Yes, students, PPT is visible. Student sees my PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, in last class we were discussing about the group discussion, and due to I told I was not having the textbook and I was not having the material, so I started with the fourth module, and again I'm continuing the third module. I told next week I'm going, a few of the topic I have left in third module. In next week I'm going to cover. I told in the last class, so today I am continuing the topics which I have left in the third module. Yes, students, we have discussed about, see here in third module, mainly we are going to discuss about the group discussion. Mainly we are going to discuss about the group discussion and presentation strategies. And when we have seen this, we have seen how the discussion should be a normal discussion, and we have seen the some of the procedure, what methodology to follow when we do group discussion. When we do discussion, and next we have a group discussion, and we have also seen GD as a part of selection process. Why the organization has kept a GD as a part of selection? Because here the organization is going to check about the communication skill, about the knowledge, about the characteristics of a person who has come for the interview, the leadership quality, and the main thing is how the person behave in the group behavior. All these points we are going to see in the, based on these points, the organization or the company is going to select that person to their means this group discussion, they have kept one stage or one process in the interview, so that once the candidate or once the person who clears the group discussion, so when he clears, then we can say that he has the analysis capacity, evaluation capacity, capacity, and he has knowledge about everything. Not everything means whichever is required for the organization, and the communication skill, and the appropriate body language, group behavior, and the leadership qualities. By seeing all these points in the mind, the organization or the company is going to select that person for their company. And one more thing, students, here I have left this group discussion. I have discussed only the brainstorming and the normal group technique. Here the organizational GD. So the organizational GD is nothing but organizational group discussion. Here I explained you this with the diagram. I don't know whether you people remembered or not. Here I have shown the members of a group, or the people who are involved in the group discussion. Here 5 people are involved in the group discussion, and I have made this person as a, that's why I have written here L. So the meaning is he is the leader of the group. He is the leader of the group, and one by one here I have labeled each person. He is leader, he is the first person, second person, third person, fourth person. So one by one, each one will be taking the turn to explain about the, or to talk about the topic which they have taken for the group discussion. So here in the group discussion, the organizational group discussion, 3 methodologies are there, or 3 procedures are there. So the Brainstorming. What is brainstorming? In brainstorming, when I was explaining this, I told you Newton. If I say Newton, then what are the points will come to your mind? So few may tell that Newton, he is a scientist. Few may tell he has invented laws, and all. Next person may talk about only the third Newton law, and next person may talk about only the first Newton law, or the next person may talk about only the second Newton law. See, when I say Newton, then related to Newton, whatever the activities he has done, whatever the work he has done, and whatever the points we know, everything we are going to get from the audience. So in the group discussion also, if we the brainstorming technology is used to grab more answers. The brainstorming technology is used to grab more answers or more solutions. To grab or to get to, or we can also say brainstorming technology is help to gather varieties of answers. Correct now, students? It is used, or it is helps to gather varieties of answers. See, I'll continue with this example, the same example only. See, in brainstorming so here, what example I have taken? The same example I'll continue, students. Here, antivirus example I have taken. The topic of the group discussion is whether I have to purchase, or the organization has to purchase antivirus for the organization. I'll take our college example only. Do we have antivirus in the college? No, we don't have. So we may request to the management, because of virus, our system or our desktop or our laptop is sometimes because of virus we may not be able to work properly, and some files are corrupted, some files are deleting automatically. So we need antivirus. So please help us by purchasing the antivirus. We may give a request. So suddenly the management will not take a decision, no, we are not going to purchase, or suddenly they don't take a decision that yes, we are going to purchase. Before we take any decision, students, they will do the group discussion. So when they do a group discussion, when antivirus is a topic, then each person will tell some opinion. Correct? No, each person. So in brainstorming technique, each person, the group discussion may the group panel or the group discussion may contain 6 to 12 members. They may contain 6 to 12 members, and they sit in a round table. And a group here, one person will be nominated as a group leader, and the group leader will tell that this is a topic. On this topic today we are going to do the group discussion. Then each person may tell whatever the opinion about the antivirus. So what happens there, students? Each person will tell their opinion. Each person will tell their opinion, and they are in the same place. They are sitting in a round table, and immediately first person 2 may tell, next person 4 may tell, next person 3 may tell, next person 1 may tell. So immediately out here 6 to 12 members are there. 6 to 12 members are there. So each person will tell their opinion. So by listening the opinion of each person, then it may be helpful to take a decision. It will helpful to take a decision. Next we have a nominal group technique. Sorry, students. This is not normal. This is nominal. Nominal group technique. Nominal group technique. So in the nominal group discussion technique also, the member should be present physically in the group discussion. A member should be physically present in the group discussion, and here also by keeping one problem statement or by keeping one agenda as a group discussion topic. Yes?
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am, but some people are waiting, ma'am.
Okay, but here I think you can see the screen. I'm not able to see anybody.
Let me inform them, ma'am.
Okay. That's why once I share the screen, no, I'm not able to. I'll not be able to allow them. Okay,
Ma'am, you
tell them to
can
join
do it
quickly.
by clicking on that blue icon, ma'am, below down left side.
Sorry.
Click on that blue icon, ma'am, left side, near 4th sem online class. Down, ma'am, down left. Host control, blue color. Yeah, there, ma'am, and enable quick access, ma'am.
Okay.
That's all.
Thank you. Tell them to join now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait 2 minutes. Tell them to join quickly because only 36
Ma'am,
students.
now they don't need your permission, ma'am. They can join.
Okay. Yeah. So here in the nominal group technique, here in this also physically each group member will meet for the group discussion. Each group member will meet for the group discussion and they do a group discussion and whatever the ideas they have about the topic. So each and every person will tell their opinion whether we have to and here what happens in nominal group discussion, here the usage of Blackboard will be there. Usage of Blackboard will be there in the nominal group discussion. Blackboard or chalkboard. Students, please you make a note of it. Here usage of Blackboard or chalkboard will be there. Chalkboard will be there. And here, why here that use a Blackboard and chalkboard is students? Here in the nominal group discussion technique, clearly whatever they have their ideas, they may tell in a pictorial format or by plotting a chart. If somebody is not understanding what they are telling, if person 2 is talking, the remaining persons are not understanding what is the opinion of person 2, then here what happens, if they make use of Blackboard or a chalkboard or a flip chart, then everybody will understand clearly. Clearly. And next we have a Delphi technique. In Delphi technique, here also a group discussion is going to happen on some topic, on important agenda or on important issue. Here what happens, the discussion will not happen physically. Here what happens, a problem statement will be given to each member of a group discussion, and and the time span will be given to each member, and they will prepare the solution for the group discussion. And they will submit the solution. Here individual person has the rights to submit the solution, and by taking the solutions, they will do the questionnaires on the solution. And finally they come to a conclusion. Compared to these two techniques, the Delphi technique takes more time. Why, students? Any idea? it takes more time compared to brainstorming and nominal group technique. The Delphi technique takes more time. Any idea? Why? Because here these two, brainstorming and the nominal group discussion technique, happens physically. So in the round table only this group discussion is going to happen. But in Delphi technique, the persons are not involved in the group discussion physically. Whatever the solutions, whatever the ideas, or whatever the questionnaires they have, they send through email or they send through a letter, and the members later the solution will be or the questionnaires whatever they have sent, some person will take all the questionnaires and solution, and finally they come to a conclusion. This is a Delphi technique. The Delphi technique needs more time. The Delphi, because their immediate face-to-face interaction will not be there in the Delphi technique. Some may have some solution might have written by each members of a group discussion, and after 1 or 2 days, then they are going to see what solution each and every person has given, and finally they come to a conclusion. So this is a Delphi technique. Understood, students? So here in the organizational discussion, we have 3 techniques: brainstorming, nominal, and the Delphi. In brainstorming, this happens in the round table. The intention of brainstorming is to gather more information and to gather a more solution or more answer, so that immediately they can take some decision. In nominal technique also, this also happens physically. Here also each person has a right to tell about the issue, whatever the opinion they have, they can tell. And but here in nominal group technique, here usage of chat by charts and means usage of presentation will be there, usage of PowerPoint or usage of Blackboard will be there, so that each member will get a clear idea. Whereas the Delphi technique takes more time. Why? Because in Delphi technique, the discussion will not happen physically. The discussion will not happen physically. The members of a group discussion, they write their solution and the questionnaires, and they send to a organization, and they are, by seeing their questionnaires and by seeing their solution, by studying all that, finally they come to a conclusion. So this is a organizational GD. Effective presentation strategy also we have seen. Visual aids. What is visual aids? What is the general meaning of visual aids? Is anybody want? What is the general meaning of visual aids? Yes, students. What is the general meaning of visual aids? A general meaning of visual aids is illustration of a matter, illustration of a matter, or talking about the issue, or talking about the agenda. Yes, students, getting visual aids is nothing but the general meaning of. Yes, students, are you listening or not? Nobody is answering. Are you listening or studying for your test? Already strength is very less, only 34 students are there. Yes, students, this module is very much important, please. And at the end, last 15 minutes, I am going to check your assignment. I told no, on 26th, virtually I am going to check the assignment. And you don't think that I have forgot. And today madam is not going to ask. Definitely I'll ask at the end of the class. Okay. Visual aids. Sometimes what happens, see, the general meaning of visual aids is to talk about some topic. To talk about some topic. The topic may be anything. The topic may be anything. How many students are present for yesterday's class? How many students are present for yesterday's class? On this topic, I want to talk. To talk about this topic, I may use a blackboard. I may use a blackboard, or I may use a PPT, or I may use some chats. Yes, correct, no, students. I want to talk, the topic which I want is the attendance status of my students. Attendance status of my students. To talk about this, I may just use a generally what happens if we are talking about any technical issue or a technical problem or technically, that time we may need some system and we may need a blackboard or PPT or chat. On general topic, if I want to talk, see, for example, here I have taken example of your attendance status. Attendance status. Yes, students, I may use a blackboard to talk about attendance. I may use PPT to talk about attendance. I may use a chart pictorial representation to talk about the attendance, or I may just use words. Correct, no? Yes, students. Just orally also I can tell that yes, these many students are absent from September. From March 3rd we have started the class, and now we are in April, and from almost 2 months we have conducted class. So out of 2 months, how many students have less attendance, how many students have average of attendance? So I can tell orally. Yes, this is the first point. Now students, if I don't have any tool to explain, then orally also I can explain. Correct, no? Orally also I can explain this. Yes, students, you please tell me, are you understanding? Students, tell me, are you following the example? Whether you're listening or not, tell me first. Not listening?
Listening, ma'am.
Listening. So understanding the example.
Yes,
See, when we talk about any issue, generally we just use words. Correct, no? If I want to tell any factual value, then we may go for blackboard, we may go for PPT, or we may go for presentation. Correct, no, students? Then here, artha agta idea. And here the words are temporary usage. The words are temporary usage. Yes, when I start talking about the attendance status, I may tell that USN 15 has very less attendance. See, what I am telling, I am not telling any factual data. Fact of data I am not telling. Out of 20 class, only 2 class, or 0 class, or 10 class. How many classes are USN 15 has attended? That I am not telling students. Just I am telling that, just I am giving some information. Correct, no, students? Understanding? I am giving a information. What information I am giving? What information I am giving? USN 15 has less shortage of attendance. USN 15 has shortage of attendance. Next, I may use a PowerPoint presentation, like month-wise attendance. In March, very good attendance status. Maybe in April, due to COVID, the attendance status may be less, and again in May, the attendance status may increase. So how I am telling, I am using a visual aids to show the information or to tell the information. And I may use a blackboard to show the information. I may use a charts to show the information. And overhead transparency. Overhead transparency is nothing but whatever I write here, it should be clear. See here, students, here what I have written, present. Present I have written. If I presents, I have written. So it is not maybe clearly visible, but at least we can make out something she has written related to present. Something here, ATT I have written. So attendance I want to write. If I just write ATT, then few may not understand what I am writing. So whatever we write on the board, whatever we write on the presentation, it should have a transparency. It should have a transparency. And few generally G we write like this. Correct, no? G we write like this, or G we write like this. Some will be having a habit of writing in a different style. Some will write G right like this. Yes, I have seen few of my friends, they write G like this. Good. So I have seen how they have written. So I know them very well. So I know this is their style of writing. So I can understand that this is G. If any new person comes and if they see, they'll tell that what is this design? What is the meaning of this? So whatever we write in a blackboard or in a presentation, it should have a clear information, and we have to use a large fonts. Here, see here I have written GOOD, good. Everybody can understand this. See here also, now also I have written good. Is it clearly visible, students? This good and this good. This is clearly visible and this is not clearly visible. So we have to write a larger font size, and we should try to avoid the decoration of the fonts. Try to avoid the decoration of the font. And when you prepare the presentation, students, the background and the foreground color is very much important. If see here, background color is white and the foreground color I am using red or maroon, it is okay. Now I'll change the foreground color. See, compared to maroon, this color is little dull. Correct, no? If the background is green or if the background is light pink, then this color will not visible. It will not visible. It is not visible only. So the color combination is very much important. In visual aid is nothing but showing the or representation of our information. When we represent any information, we are using these tools. Aids is nothing but the tools. These tools we use: the spoken words, PowerPoint, Blackboard, flip chart, and the overhead transparency. Paralinguistic features. Anybody know what is paralinguistic? Anybody know what is paralinguistic? Any idea what is paralinguistic? Paralinguistic. I think all are busy in studying. Paralinguistic refers to study of human voice. This paralinguistic refers to study of human voice. Yes, students, understanding this paralinguistic refers to a study of human voice. When we say a human voice, the first thing what will come to our mind is the words. The spoken words. Correct, no? The spoken words. How the spoken words should be. How the spoken words should be. So here in paralinguistic, we have some of the features, the quality of the voice. See, each persons will be having a different quality of a voice. Some person, they speak in nose. We tell no, in Kannada we say, Mughal matadtare. So, nasal talk. So they speak in the quality of the voice will be different. The quality of the voice will be different, and some they speak. In our department, we have, including teaching and non-teaching, we have total 13 faculties are there, students. 13 staffs are there. So each staff will be having a different voice quality. Correct, no? Ganesh sir has different voice quality. Aparna ma'am has different quality. Dwarkanath sir, I have a different voice quality. Drakshani ma'am. So each person will have a different quality, no? Yes. So each person will be having a different quality. Volume. Volume is nothing but the loudness or the softness. Volume is nothing but a loudness or softness of the voice. Softness of a voice. When we start talking, how some people they speak normally also, we feel like they are shouting. So because their volume will be more. Rate or piece. Rate means per minute how many words we can speak. Per minute how many. Some few persons, they talk very slow. And few may talk very fast. For example, if I speak in 1 minute 100 to 200 words. If I speak in 1 minute 100 to 200 words. If any other person speak per minute 80 to 120 words. Means by seeing this data, what we are understanding, my voice, I am speaking faster than the second person, because I am speaking 100 to 200 words in 1 minute. But the second person is speaking 80 to 120 words in 1 minute. So the rate of talking is different from each person. It varies person to person. The pitch. Pitch means the vibrations of our voice per second. See, generally, now I am explaining about the topic. My pitch will be different, or the quality of the voice will be different. If I start scolding, if in between, if anybody send message and any unnecessary, unwanted message, if anybody unmute and if they laugh or if they talk unnecessarily, not related to the class or not related to the topic, if they start talking, then what I do, I will raise my voice and I will tell them, who is who is talking, please mute yourself, like that. Here what happens, students, the variation of voice will be there. The variation of pitch will be there. The pitch will vary. When I am taking a class, my voice pitch will be different. When I start scolding, my voice pitch will be different. Pronunciation, it depends. Tumkur, we can say T-U-M-K-U-R, Tumkur. Few may tell that Tumkur, education. So each will pronounce in a different way. So the pronunciation is very much important. And voice modulation is also very much important. When in the class, when we explain something, if we find any topic is very much important, then what we do, we highlight Correct now, students? We highlight and we tell that yes, students, this topic is very much important. In this third module, in this third module, this is very important, students. If I tell like that, then what I do, I will change my voice quality. I will change the voice modulation, and I will stress on that topic. I will stress on that topic, and I may shout little more, and I may tell students, don't ignore this topic. This is very important than the other topic. Or if I feel this topic is very much important, then I will tell that yes, students, all the topics are very much important in third module, but this is very, very, very important. Then I am stressing. Correct? No, I am stressing on the topic. So the voice modulation will be different. Then generally, suddenly if somebody come loudly, assume that I am taking a class in a classroom with a same pitch, with a common pitch, with a normal pitch, I am talking. And when somebody start talking, if somebody do any mischievous things in the class, then I will change my voice modulation. Then I start scolding to that student. Correct? No? I start scolding to that student, and in between, if somebody come, if any other faculty come to a classroom, or if a HOD come for the round, then again my voice will change. The way how I was talking to the students, the same way I will not talk to the faculty. I will change the voice. I may reduce my volume. So what is happening here? The voice modulation is happening, students. And the pauses. The pauses are very much important. Wherever we have to give the full stop, wherever we have to give a comma, question mark, these are very much important. So the paralinguistic means, here in paralinguistic we are going to learn, or we are going to study about the human voice. Yes, students, this point you remember, you keep in your mind that paralinguistic is nothing but the paralinguistic communication refers to the study of human voice and how words are spoken. How words are spoken. Paralinguistic features are, the paralinguistic features have these points, that is quality, volume, rate, pitch, pronunciation, voice modulation, and the pauses. These are all the characteristics of paralinguistic features. Yes, students, the voice is very much important. The voice is very much important. It gives an extra effect to our presentation. It gives an extra effort to our delivery. If I with a low volume, if I speak, and if I am not changing the modulation, if any important topic also if I am explaining, then if I don't change the voice modulation, if any student is not listening properly, if any student is not talking, when I am scolding that student also, if I am not changing the voice modulation, then it does not make any sense. We have to change according to the situation. We have to change the voice modulation. You have to change the voice quality, the pitch, the rate, the pronunciation, volume, quality, everything, and pauses wherever it is necessary, we have to use. Yes, students, understood? The visual aids. The visual aid is nothing but, this is a tool to express. The visual aid is nothing but the tool to express. With the help of words, we can express our feeling. With the help of presentation, with the help of blackboard or whiteboard, flip chart, and the usage of transparency of a words is very much important in a visual aids. Understanding nuances of delivery. This I will do it in the next class. Let me check your attendance. Sorry, your assignment. It's one by one. Please switch on your camera and show me your assignment. How many questions? How much you have written? Because today you have to submit the assignment. Asta. Asta. I'm going to reduce the marks because I have not given tough questions. I have given very less questions. Yes, students, first to answer for your attendance. Meanwhile, I'll check the assignment. Asta, at least answer for your attendance, Asta. Abhinav.
Present, ma'am.
Assignment. Show your assignment. Written all the questions. Written all the questions, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aishwarya?
Present, ma'am.
Assignment, ma?
Ma'am, 2 questions are there, ma'am. I'll submit, ma'am.
Why? Why you have to submit today, no?
Today only I'll
Amrish? Okay, Amrish?
Yes, ma'am.
Assignment?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಹಾಂ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ತೋರಿಸು. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಬೇಗ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Anu, be ready, Anu. Switch on your camera and you can show Anu.
That's all, ma'am.
Anu, show your assignment. Anu.
Ma'am, camera on ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ma'am.
Next. Okay, ma. Arbaz. Arbaz is not there. Arjun?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show you.
Tosapa.
1 second, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Ashok?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show ma'am.
Benita?
Ma'am.
Ashok. Benita, you can also switch on your camera and you can also show. At a time, I can see both. Benita, are you there, Benita? You're there, no? Yes. Switch on the camera and show. Bhargavi? Bhavisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on the camera, Bhavisha. Chaitra, you can also switch on the camera and you can show.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavisha.
Can you see, ma'am?
Hedama.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see. Dev.
Okay, ma'am. That's it.
Okay. Dev. Diksha.
Ma'am, 1 question is left, ma'am.
Okay, ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. Deepika L.
Send ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Deepika L.
Yes, ma'am. I will show.
Assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, students, see, even you know that if I cannot see exactly what you have written. Please don't cheat. If you have not written one or two questions also, you can tell me today or tomorrow. You can complete your assignment. But tell me what is the status, exact status. Deepika M.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Completed.
Deepika, you can.
Ma'am.
Complete ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಮ್ಮ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Murli?
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am. Showing.
ತೋರಿಸು. ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ? Okay, Murli. Okay. ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಊರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay.
Completed.
Okay. Okay, ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ. Okay. ಗುಡಿಯಾ?
Completed, ma'am.
Show me.
Can I show you, ma'am, half an hour because I am now in hospital.
Okay. Harshit? Junjar?
Yes, ma'am. Written.
Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Next page, Junjar. Next page.
8 page. 8 questions I have written.
Okay. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am. I'm showing you.
Okay. Kishore?
Yeah, ma'am.
ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ.
Ma'am, 2 questions are pending.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೀತೀಯಾ? ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಲತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Show.
Visible, ma'am.
No, it is not visible. Harshit is not there, no? Harshit is absent. It is not visible, Lata.
Wait, ma'am.
Manisha? Lata, I am not able to see. Kishore? ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಎರಡು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಕಿಶೋರ್? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್?
Visible, ma'am.
No. ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ.
Yeah, ma'am.
ನಯನ?
ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
I cannot see Manjunath.
Clarity
not able to see.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Ma'am, you ping their screen. They are already showing.
Wait.
Ma'am, Lata, ma'am.
Manjunath, okay. Lata?
Completed, ma'am. 8 questions.
Okay, Lata. Nayana? Nayana? Nayana is there? Nayana? Absent. Neelanjan? Absent. Nishant?
Ma'am, I have to write 3 questions, ma'am.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೀತೀಯಾ?
Ma'am, ಇವಾಗ send ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ma'am.
Pavitra? Don't send. Yes, ma'am. Don't send students. Keep it with you only. If it is necessary, I'll create one link I'll create one GCR. To that you can send. Okay. No, don't send.
Ma'am, Pavitra.
Pavitra. Okay, Pavitra. Written all the questions, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Maithili?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show.
Akash?
Questions.
Akash?
Ma'am, Pawan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sorry. Pavan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Written all the questions, Pavan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Akash?
Ma'am, you can see, right?
Yeah, I can see.
8 questions, ma'am, I have written.
Okay. Rajeshwari?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾಮ್ಮ?
Yes, ma'am. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ತೋರ್ಸು. Ramya?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible. Okay, fine, Rajeshwari. Ramya?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ramya. Ravishankar? Rashmi?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಯಾರೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Somebody has presented screen, ma'am.
No, nobody has presented. Nobody has presented. You just switch on your camera and you show. Rashmi.
Okay.
After Rashmi, Ravi, Rizwan, be ready.
Is it getting?
Yeah. Okay, Rashmi. Ravishankar, written all the questions, Rashmi?
Yes, ma'am. All complete.
Ravishankar?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Wait, ma'am.
Written all the questions, Ravishankar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rizwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tosapa. Okay, Rizwan. All questions ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ Rizwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vishal?
Written, ma'am.
Okay.
1 minute.
Savita? Okay, Savita. Shruti? Yes, students, again I am telling, if you are not written, you can tell me. Don't cheat, don't show any other book.
I wrote, ma'am. Yeah, I wrote, ma'am.
Those.
Okay.
Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shruti. Okay. Sneha, Tosama. Spurti?
Yes, ma'am. Written all the questions.
Okay. Show me Spurti. Srinidhi?
Ma'am, you can see?
Yeah, I can see. Okay. Srinidhi? Spurti, last class you did not attend, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Srinidhi? Srinidhi absent. Srinivas?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I have written.
Those
ma'am.
Sunil? Okay. Sheets al ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ? Sheets al ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ, book al ಬರಿಬೇಕು.
Ma'am.
Next assignment ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು ಇದನ್ನ.
I'll paste it, ma'am.
Staple ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು. Next assignment ಬರೀತೀಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ book al staple ಮಾಡು.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸುನಿಲ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇನ್ನ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿಯಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು. ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ?
GCR ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. ಇಲ್ಲ GCR if it is necessary, I will tell you all to submit in the GCR. You just keep with you students.
Okay.
I have checked, no? If it is necessary, I will.
Ma'am, Vaishnavi.
Okay, ma. Vinny?
Okay.
Vinny is not there?
Ma'am, Benita, ma'am.
Tosama.
Ma'am, I'm not able to share.
No need to share. You just switch on the camera and you show.
I have created that PDF only, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನೀನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ತೋರ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬುಕ್ ತೋರ್ಸು.
Actually, I'm outside, so only I wanted to share through PDF.
Okay, students, I'll stop here.
Ma'am, Priyanka, ma'am.
ತೋರ್ಸು.
I can share.